You're looking for new ways to market your business and you've heard that content is king, but do you keep running out of ideas for new content? Hi, I'm Oliver from Mechanized, and today I'm going to show you how to generate blog article ideas with ease. If you're looking to attract new visitors to your website, creating high quality content is the perfect opportunity to show people you know what you're talking about and to target those long tail keywords. Although this sounds like a good idea, thinking of new blog articles can be a struggle. Most small businesses aim to produce between 1 and 10 articles per month. These can be used on your website, on social media channels, email newsletters, and video scripts. When publishing content on a regular basis, it's very easy to burn through your ideas. So today, I'm going to show you 5 ways to generate blog article ideas with ease. So what makes a good blog article? Blog articles usually follow these rules. They answer a common question, such as, will SEO help my business? Or should I add a blog to my website? They focus on buyer's intent. So for example, if a customer is looking for a new leather sofa, creating a leather sofa buying guide would be a really good idea. Or it's about a hot industry topic. So recently, Instagram just launched the new name tag feature, and we created an article on how to use it, and within a couple of hours, it was ranking number 3 in Google. So the first way to generate blog ideas is to use Google Auto-Suggest. Simply start typing in your search term into the Google search bar, and then Google will automatically suggest some questions that people have been asking. Once you've clicked on the query you want to see, if you scroll to the bottom of the page, there'll be another list of suggestions there ready for you to use. Number 2 is using Answer the Public. Now don't be put off by the old guy on the website, because Answer the Public is like a supercharged version of Google's Auto-Suggest. The data comes from Google and Bing, and you'll get a great insight into the motivations of the people searching for that particular keyword. To get started, enter your keyword and hit Get Questions. The results will then come back separated into questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, and related. Because the data is based on Google and Bing Auto-Suggest, you can guarantee that people are searching for these questions, and this will generate a couple of months worth of blog article ideas. Number 3 is hot industry trends. Sometimes you don't need to know the search volume or if people are searching for answers, because it's new. You know your industry better than your customers. So if a new car has been spied or a new product has been released, make sure you're the first to write about it. I mentioned at the start of the video that we created an article about the new Instagram name tags feature, and it was ranking within a few hours. Well, we've also done the same for articles on the new Facebook page templates and short tail versus long tail keywords. And these articles generate daily traffic to our website. Striking whilst the iron is hot will show your audience that you keep up to date in the latest industry trends, and it'll increase their trust in you. Number 4, the HubSpot blog generator. Now, using the HubSpot blog generator is a very easy way to get blog article ideas. You simply enter 3 nouns and it'll give you 5 ideas to write about. These results are not based on auto-suggest data, and when you do enter different nouns you do get quite similar titles, but it'll get you thinking and they'll be great for social media. Number 5, the Moz Keyword Explorer. So let's take things up a notch. If you want to create content as part of an SEO strategy, then the Moz Keyword Explorer will allow you to dig a little bit deeper. Simply enter your keyword or topic, and the Moz Keyword Explorer will return the monthly search volume, keyword suggestions, and SERP analysis. What we're interested in is the keyword suggestions. You can filter the results by our questions, and this will give you a list of the questions people are typing in Google, along with the monthly search volume. If there isn't a search volume associated with the question, then don't worry, it just means that the data isn't in the Moz database, but it does mean that people are actively searching for it. So there we have it, 5 easy ways to generate blog article ideas. So get creating that content.